And Tim, this opening was anything but your average factory opening. What kind of crowds turned out for this?
Well, thousands and thousands more online watched it live. And I've been to several new plant openings, and they're never this exciting. They never get this kind of attention. And that ability, that capability to get so many eyeballs, so many people beyond just the media and investors to be looking at this is rather remarkable, and kind of speaks to the movement underway that Elon Musk has done since that Roadster first came out.
What about momentum? I mean, this has been a huge week for Elon Musk. We haven't stopped talking about him all week, and I don't think that's just a reflection of us. He has been front and center with everything he's done from Twitter and beyond. What does that mean just in terms of momentum building up to this?
Yeah, absolutely. Elon Musk kind of believes in this idea of momentum, that good results build on good results, wins beget wins. And this week is definitely all about momentum, right? With the surprise of Twitter and these sorts of things. There's just excitement around the company and around him. In fact, I wonder if when we looked at the Cyber Rodeo, if not for all of the news around Twitter earlier in the week, if we might be looking at this event a little bit more skeptical. Not because it's not a huge achievement, but because, yet again, Tesla is behind on some of its things. The Cybertruck now pushed to next year. The Semi, the Roadster sports car, still delayed. He's talking last night about them coming next year, which would please a lot of customers who have waited many, many years for those vehicles. But execution continues to be Tesla's challenge here. As much as they have accomplished, they're still a very young company, and they haven't quite figured out how to seamlessly bring out new product.
Hey, Phil, let's talk about that. We had Ron Barron on yesterday. He's been a long-term investor, started investing in Tesla back in 2014. I think his cost basis is something like $219, maybe even less than that, because he started buying way down lower. He said he's gotten about 20 times his money back, and he thinks that there's going to be additional growth of at least 4 to 5 times his money from here. But he's also willing to give them a pass on missing on any of these quarterly estimates. Again, he's a long-term investor. He looks beyond that on what the future potential growth is. But what about other investors? Are they going to do the same when they come out with their earnings on April 20th? If they're behind, which would not be a huge surprise given the shutdowns that we've seen in Shanghai, will the street punish Tesla shares?
Depends on how much they miss, if they miss, Becky. And I don't think people are expecting a miss on the most important and critical factors. One, auto gross margins. They were 29.2% last quarter. I haven't checked what the estimate is for the first quarter. But if they're relatively close to that, let's say it comes in a half a percentage point below expectations. Are they going to get dinged for that? Probably not, just as they weren't dinged for the fact that the consensus for deliveries in the first quarter was 317,000. They delivered 310,000. And I think that's what Ron Barron was talking about, which is, okay, they missed by a few thousand vehicles. Keep in mind that the Shanghai plant was shut down. So he's willing to give them a pass. Now, look, if they miss by a wide margin, different story completely. And it also depends on what are the factors that causes them to miss.